Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Render. For the past several months, I have been showing you a very big down channel that Render has formed on a weekly time frame chart, and I've been telling you that once Render will be able to break out that channel, then we can expect a very long-term rally to the upside, and you can see that after the breakout, it rallied very well. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 1718% and still moving to the upside. And recently, you can see it has broken out a quite major resistance of $2.95. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you this up channel formation that is formed on the daily time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 95% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared on 9th of November 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that render was completing with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. So the buying zone and the sell targets and stop loss as well. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal. First, it entered the buying zone, completed the leg. Then we had a very massive pump and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied almost 95%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of render, and this is the daily time frame chart. And you can see that on this daily time frame chart, first we broke out this channel. The target for this channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2.93, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, and now it is tucked inside in this up channel. And if the price then breaks down the support, then the target to the downside can be here, approximately at $1.67. And in case of breaking out the channel, the target to the upside can be, by the way, it depends from where it will break out the channel. For example, if it will break out the channel from here, from $5.67, then the target to the upside can be approximately at $7.86. And in that situation, we can break out a very long-term resistance of $6.50 as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then this is the channel that I've been showing you for the past several months. And you can see that after the breakout, it has rallied very well. And now it is moving aggressively towards this next resistance of $6.50 that I was showing you here on this daily time frame chart as well. And the target, by the way, for this huge channels breakout is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately between $8 to $10. And I'm expecting that as soon as it breaks out this resistance of $6.50, then it can imminently move to hit that target as well. And after that, this $6.50 will be flipped into a very long-term and strong and firm support for the price line. And this rally to the upside can be continued after breaking out this resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.